This thing is going to be bad ass.
MoeTheDriver.
Welcome back to the channel. So look, we're getting there. I got some new stuff today, and we're going to take a look at some future proofing. It's not something I absolutely need right now, but I was told for future proofing purposes that I should get this. So might as well. Engine's apart, I might as well get it. So some more bolts, man. Studs, bolts, whatever you want to call them. Look like bolts to me, but apparently they're called studs. So main studs, not head studs. Main studs, my friends. So let me show you these new main studs that I have. Unbox, show you what they look like, you know, see if there's any difference from the last head stud video that I did. Obviously they are bolts, studs, so it's not going to be really exciting, but let's just get into it and see what we have in the box. See what we got here. Sales receipt. Don't need that. Packing material, more packing material. Packing material. All right, here we go. This is the 203-5405. It says Toyota 2JZ Alpha 80 Supra MSK. I'm assuming that stands for main stud kit. This is the head stud kit, which is 203-4301. This is the CA625 head stud kit. Just want to look at the difference in the model. 203-5405, 203-4301. We already saw that in the prior video. Just wanted to see the difference in the model. All right, this one's got shrink wrap on it. So let's get to this right here. Shrink wrap. It's like Christmas all over again. It's still winter, but geez, guys, with their tape. They love tape, man. Everybody loves tape. Bam. All right. Here we go. See what we got here. This is another one of those papers. This box is needed for exchange or warranty. Keep the box. Cardboard is important. 15 horsepower for stickers. Installation method for main studs. All right. 200,000 PSI, 10 millimeter diameter. See what we got here. You need that packing material. I won't throw that one away. Doesn't feel like anything's in it, but we need it. What do we got here? Ah, here we go. More of these nut thingies. See the nut thingies? Yeah, those. Here's some of the washer thingies. I think those are, yeah, those are pretty cool. All right, you want to see the model number of the washers. There it is there. And the model number of the nuts, just in case anybody wants that. And these aren't in the little tubes like the other ones are all cool in the tubes and stuff. So here's the main studs. They kind of look like the head studs, but look a little different. And they're not in the little tubes that the head studs came in that you saw in the last video. So I'm assuming that there are also 14 of these. Look, more lubricant. We all talked about lubricant earlier. We like lube, right? Here we go. All right, let me check, make sure there are 14 of these bad boys. Indeed there are. We have all of those. We have the lubricant. We have the nuts, washers, installation instructions, stickers, warranty card, and more packing. material. So there we go, man. Head studs, main studs, all studs. I think we got it. I think we got the studs. Head studs, we got main studs. Head studs are 625 plus. It looks like the main studs are the regular. We did not get 625 plus. I don't know if they have 625 plus main studs, probably, but I was told that I didn't need anything other than what I have. So I don't know if they have those or not, but we should be good. We got things, fasteners to hold it together, all the parts. So I'm waiting on an aftermarket oil pump that is high volume. So I'm waiting on that to come in. And that's literally the last thing I'm waiting on before we start building this thing. Before we start slapping it all together, I'm waiting on that oil pump. Oil pump. I heard it's a pain in the butt if you want to change an oil pump with the engine in. So might as well get it now. But anyway, yeah, man, that's what we got. So, I mean, everything's coming together nicely. Thanks for subscribing. Everybody that's subscribed so far, all the viewers, all the shares, it's going well, man. I'm really excited. And, you know, thanks for all the support. I'm glad you guys are still watching this madness. It's madness. If it's not madness yet, it will be madness as soon as we get this truck on the road. But I'm going to start getting back to the Hellcat stuff as well, starting to warm up a little bit. It's supposed to be 65 degrees this weekend. So if it is 65 degrees, the Hellcat's coming out. The drag radials are already on it. So we're going to go have some fun with that. Maybe I'll get some videos of that and give you guys some excitement instead of this, other stuff that we're doing. I'm not going to say that the truck stuff is boring. It's exciting, but it doesn't go fast. So I know you guys want to see fast. So yeah, man, coming soon. Probably this weekend we'll get the Hellcat out and zoom. But until then, hey, like, subscribe, share. Make sure you tell everyone about the truck, man. This thing is going to be bad ass.